Díagwit agus fáilte road. Hello and welcome. We are now in the petting farm in the Ark. Come on!
It's Laz Lucky, come learn and play. We'll have lots of fun today.
Come along and meet the gang. First, say hello to our friendly KuneKune pigs wiggling their tails. Next, look for the Zwarbles sheep. You can spot them by their white faces. Watch out! Here comes the playful Pygmy goats ready to jump and climb. Over here, we have the gentle giants, our big Flemish rabbits. And finally, look up high to see the colourful Finches fluttering by. All our barnyard friends are happy to see you.
Lucky! That magic was way too loud. You're glowing like a lighthouse. Shh! Look at the goats, Lucky Lions. They have hard horns and beards. Can you find your chin? Time for a game, Lucky Lions. Can you waddle like a duck?
Waddle like a duck. Quack, quack. Jump like a bunny. Boing, boing. Waddle like a duck. Quack, quack. Jump like a bunny. Boing, boing.
Move like the animals. Move like the animals.
Baa like a sheep. Ba, ba. Snort like a pig. Snort, snort. Ba, ba, snort!
Look at the pig's nose, Lucky Lions. See how it wiggles? Can you wiggle your nose like a pig? Snort, snort!
Shh! Be very, very quiet. I think he's hiding in that hay. I'll just use a tiny spell to call him out. Bunny, Bunny, don't be shy! Oh, for goodness sake! That wasn't a bunny call! That was a foghorn!
The bunny is still hiding. Off to LuckyLand with you and find the silent secret.
I'm off to LuckyLand. Bramble! The bunny ran away! My wand is too loud!
Little animals have super ears, Lucky. Your magic was like a giant drum in a library.
But I want the bunny to be my friend. How do I show him I'm nice?
You use statue mode. When you are still as a stone, animals feel safe. They think, oh, that's just a friendly fuzzy statue. They only come out when it's peaceful.
So, if I don't wiggle, he won't giggle. Look at me, Bramble. I'm a statue. I'm invisible.
Perfect. Now go back, stay still, and let the bunny find you.
I'm back. I'm a statue now, Laz. See? Not a wiggle.
Statue mode on. Look, here he comes. Gentle hands, Lucky.
Ah, look! He likes me. We didn't need magic. We just needed a bit of peace and quiet. Slán leat agus gora mahagat. Goodbye and thank you.
We'll have lots of fun today.